Well, hello everybody. You join us on the day before the puppy's 5th week birthday. And I thought I'd share with you the lovely view of a puppy doing the do. And this is our wonderful Luna, who's been the best at potty training. This is our not so wonderful Apollo, who's the best at short wrecking. Aren't you? Apollo. What? Who's that?
Hi.
Who's that?
It's your favorite person.
Blink, blink, blink. You look sleepy.
He folded his arms then.
Politely.
Oh, Mr HDL was so good you're here.
I'm like
This
Snow
nasty
White.
man came in. And all he did was talk to people on his phone and totally ignored us. Never did belly rubs or anything.
Is that what happened?
And then he kept telling us poo, poo, poo in the tray. And it was so bad. I just couldn't. And then he squeezed me and it came out.
I'm pretty sure that's not what happened. Is that what happened? Is that what happened? Guys make pig
They are
noises.
proper little snorters, aren't they?
They are. They make pig noises all the time. Yep, listen to it. That's not even me. Hey, let's not eat the shirt.
So I would say that the sharpest bite is Atlas.
Oh yeah. No, he has little needle teeth.
Yeah.
He really does.
Now, Apollo's doing well. Buzz is not bad at all. Luna is still
Lunar lander.
not too bad. But
Wait, let's see if I can
when
escape.
Atlas goes for your
Crocs.
softer bits, boy, you're in trouble. He is. He sometimes struggles getting out, doesn't he?
No, we
Is
missed it.
is the llama going to help you there, mate?
Yeah, reach for the llama.
Come on! Yay! Did you do that toy box? Somebody's trashed the toy box. Alice? Is that you?
He's hopping away like a bunny.
Ooh.
Yep.
Oh, look at his face. Hello, young man. Hello, young man. Hello.
Hello, little pickles.
I love the way they lick your hand just to find a place to bite you. Oh! Oh. So they are being taught not to bite now.
They are.
Yeah. So we don't encourage it with them, but when they do, then they can either have a tummy rub like that, or they'll get some bite suppression. What would you rather have, Atlas? Bite suppression or tummy rub? Eh? What do you think? Oh, you don't bite me because it will be bite suppression. Look at those shark eyes coming on him. Proper little shark eyes. They roll over to get you. We're going to need a bigger glove. Yeah, good boy. So these puppies now 5 weeks old tomorrow. Biggest litter we've had, not in number, but in weight.
Heavyweight champions.
They put weight on just by looking at food, I think.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us.
And poor old Mully and Sadie are so... Oh, he's made it now.
Hi.
Oh, look at you. Poor old Mully and Sadie are so disenamoured with these ones because every time they come in after they've eaten, there's nothing left. You're really going for it tonight, aren't you, Atlas? Acrobatless, as I forget who it was named him that.
And chatless.
Yeah.
Oh, Fuzzy boy, that could have gone worse.
So, well, I clearly meant to do that. Oh, somebody
Yes.
else left a deposit in there as well.
I know. That's where I thought Buzz's face was going.
So that is 6 poos in succession
Wow.
in the box.
How do we have 6 poos in succession when there's only 4 puppies?
Yeah, there you go.
That's serious. Well, hello, it's a teen pup coming in for extra socialization.
The teen pup needs socialisation.
Yeah, probably. What's happening?
Don't you tread on that. Oh, I was awake.
Oh, Alice going in for a little wee wee.
Yeah,
Good boy.
yeah. Hello, you. It's the lovely lunatic. Luna Lander. Lady Luna. Go on. Go on. Are you going to do some shark eye? Yeah, 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 yeah.
It's a little polar bear face.
Look at these pads. Just look at those. Look at those teeth. All the better to eat you with.
My dear. So they are definitely doing a lot better going pee-pee in the litter tray because
Yeah.
there's lots of this litter that is turning to sawdust.
Yeah,
Hey, that's my toe.
I know, it hurts too. Their little teeth are so sharp. Look at
Look
the
at the
tails! They're so happy. They're like, we love Teen Pups. She's here. She's here. We've been waiting all day for her to get back to school, and then she's super busy, and here she is. It's the best thing ever.
Nope, I'm going to get that bison. Buffalo.
Oh, no. Teen Pups ankles.
Oh.
Clonk. 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 When I was on the elliptical machine this morning, Buzz went over and just sat down looking at me while I'm on the elliptical, and then he eventually laid down, but it was like he was laying down at my feet the whole time, waiting for me to finish.
Doing, you
Yeah,
crazy
'cause
boy.
people on the live stream are saying it. He hasn't stopped. His tail is just wagging wherever he is now.
He's a happy boy.
Hello. Hello, sweet girl.
She's sweet until she bites your kneecap.
I think your mouth's a little bit small for that, Bubba.
That's an expensive knee. Don't be biting that.
It's okay, a shark.
That's the final test. Dr. H said it's nothing to do with stress testing or cutting or anything else. It's if you can withstand a puppy bite on your ACL, then you're good to go.
Ow!
No, you can't. See?
Are you gonna get it now? What are you doing?
Fuzzy boy.
Hello. Hey, sweet boy. You are
Oh.
getting the caramel color in your face.
This is.
He is.
Boy.
Yeah, there's a few people been talking about that. I said no, it's just the wet puppy kibble.
No. He's more caramel, Buzzy.
You're a caramel boy. You like grandma? Great grandma.
And then Acrobatless is definitely the whitest little puffball here.
Puffball.
She is, isn't she? A little floofing. That's right.
What are you doing?
Where are you going?
Yeah, Luna's puffball too, isn't she?
I think they all are extra fluff ball this year.
The only one that, well, he's still fluffy, is Buzz. He's the smoothest out of them, but.
Look at the tail! Oh, oh, now I'm stuck.
Pylon.
Who gave them energy bombs?
I don't know. Did you give him some pre-workout?
Yeah.
I think so. Did you get into my cabinet or something?
Wait, he just looked up at me. Oh my goodness! He's got the little sloppy stick going.
Okay. Well, we're going to play a little bit more with these, and then we will see all of you guys in the live streams as they come up. So have a nice evening.